Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I brought Amazon Echo Dot second generation, which is most popular among the people nowadays. So I have already unpacked in order to make some more details for you. So this is the device, Amazon. It's having I believe this is voice control, voice up, voice down, and this is mute. This is mute, and this is I'm not pretty sure what is that. We'll see about that one. And here you can see micro USB port, and this is 3.5mm audio jack. Okay, and this is the micro USB port cable, which is and this is power adapter. This end, this cable end will come to this port, and this part will come goes to the Echo Dot itself. So this is the two books outlets I got. Probably it's how to configure the Amazon Echo Dot, and yeah, this is how to configure the dot, and this is, I think it's kind of iSkills, Amazon Echo Skills. We'll see. So let me power on this device. And I'll post the video, and as soon as I power the Amazon device, I'll come to you. So I have already configured the Alexa by connecting to my mobile. So let's see how it's going to work. For example, Alexa, what's the weather in Sydney today?
Right now in Sydney, Australia, it's 70 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has thunderstorms with a high of 74 degrees and a low of 66 degrees.
So if you feel this volume is not much enough for you, so you can increase gradually like that. Alexa, please increase the volume maximum. So normally currently it's supporting 0 to 10 instead of 100. It's just supporting 0 to 10 maximum. So, and the same way that if you give any command, that if you have any smart home devices such as Wemo, TP-Link, or Philips Hue lights, so you can control by that way. Currently I do not have. Once I get, definitely I'll post a video regarding that. So to summarize, it's pretty much intelligent device that definitely will helpful to people whoever it's kind of very smart device. It's such a good one which Amazon produced. Okay, thank you guys. If I get the chance with the smart bulb, definitely I'll come to you with another Echo site. Thank you.